Tere Jaya, Tuti Maharani Jaya Vrinda Tere. Jaya Tuti Maharani Jaya Vrinda Tere Jaya, Tuti Maharani Jaya Vrinda Tere. वृंदाय तुलसीदेवाय प्रियाय केशवचचा विष्णु भक्ति बल देवी सदवचाय नमो नमः। वृंदाय तुलसीदेवाय प्रियाय केशवचचा विष्णु भक्ति बल देवी सदवचाय नमो नमः। वृंदाय तुलसीदेवाय प्रियाय केशवचचा विष्णु भक्ति बल देवी सदवचाय नमो नमः। वृंदादेव तुलसी महारानी की जय। O Tulasi, beloved of Krishna, I bow before you again and again. My desire is to obtain the service of Sri Sri Radha in Krishna. Whoever takes shelter of you has wishes fulfilled. Bestowing your mercy upon him, you make him the residence of Vrindavan. My desire is that you also grant me the reserved roads of pleasure goes to Sri Vrindavan Dham. Thus, within my vision, I shall always behold the beautiful pastimes of Radha and Krishna. I beg you to make me a follower of the cowhorse damsels of Braj. Please give me the privilege of devotional service and make me your own maidservant, this very fallen and lowly servant of Krishna praise. May I always swim in the love of Sri Sri Radha and Govinda. Srimati Tulsi Maharani ki jai. The lotus feet of our spiritual master is the only way we can attain pure devotional service. I bow to his lotus feet with great awe and reverence. By his grace, one can cross the ocean material suffering and attain the mercy of Krishna. I only wish to have my consciousness purified by the words emanating from his lotus mouth. Attachment to his lotus feet, perfection that fulfills all desires. He opens my darkened eyes and fills my heart with transcendental knowledge. He is my Lord, birth after birth. From him ecstatic preemanates, by him ignorance is destroyed. The Vedic scriptures sing of his character. Our spiritual master is the ocean of mercy, the friend of the poor, and Lord Master of all the devotees. O Master, be merciful to us. Give us the shade of your lotus feet. Your fame is spread all over the three worlds. We take shelter of your lotus feet. You are the Savior of the most fallen. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.
Jai Prabhupada, Jai Prabhupada, Jai Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada, Jai 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 Prabhupada, Srila Jaya Gurudev, Jaya Gurudev, Jaya Gurudev, Jaya Gurudev, Guru Sarana Baba, Kemala Bhakti Sarva, Guru Sarana Baba, Kemala Bhakti Sarva, Guru Sarana Baba, Kemala Bhakti Sarva. Bye. Vishnu Padaya, Krishna Prasthaya, Bhutale, Srimate Bhakti Vedanta, Swami Chittamani Namaha. Vishnu Padaya, Krishna Prasthaya, Bhutale, Srimate Bhakti